Hi, I'm Hazley Cush, and thanks for spending a minute with me. Well, as we head towards the end of 2017, I'm going to take a minute to just reflect on what the market is looking like to do in 2018. The rental market, I can tell you, seasonally this always happens. The last couple of weeks of December, the inquiry starts to build. January, it gets even stronger. On an average month, we rent about 50 properties, but in January, we usually rent in excess of 70. And the reason is that transitional change. People are moving up to start the school year with jobs, and we are starting to see that take place already. Rental prices are always stronger late December and early January. So you are pushing against that downward trend that investments have had. In the sales market, it's been a good year, a really strong year, and I thought I'd involve Matt, who this year sold over $120 million worth of prestige property across Brisbane. What better person to tell us what he thinks the market's going to do next year? Matty, what's going to happen?
So in the high-end part of town at the moment, we're seeing more transactions happening between the 5 and 10 million mark than has happened historically. Just this year alone, there has been 15 sales that have registered between $5 and $10 million in the second half of this side of the financial year, which is really encouraging. At the moment, we're seeing a lot of international inquiries. So we've got a buyer flying out from Hong Kong next week.
Yep.
We've also had a lot of people migrating from down south coming up this time of the year. It's massive for relocations, and I'm seeing a lot of inquiries still happening over this Christmas break, which generally slows down.
And you think 2018 will be a strong year?
I think, given stock remains tight and interest rates remain low, I think it's going to be a fantastic year.
Okay, well, from our families and our teams to yours, have a safe and very happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.